Good morning, all the students of ninth standard. We are learning the first lesson of political science, that is post World War and political development there. In this lesson, we have studied the background history or the information about the First World War, and there were the two groups were there, Allied power and the Central powers. So the First World War was fought between the 1914 to 1918. In this duration, the First World War was fought, and two powers were there. Or the world European countries were divided into the two groups, that is Allied power and the Central power. So in the Allied power, Britain, America, France, Russia, Italy. These countries were there. Into the Central powers, Germany, Austria, Hungary, Ottoman Turks, and Bulgaria. So these were the countries were there into the Central power. Up to here we came. Now next, at the end of the First World War, all the nations felt that such a war should not be happen again, and some measures need to be taken to achieve that end. So when the First World War was ended, after the end of the First World War, whole nation, means all the countries in the world, they felt that such type of destructive war should not be happen again in a future, because when the First World War was ended or over, at that time many innocent peoples were killed, some of were injured, that, and there was a tremendous loss of property and economical crisis were there in the world. So whole world, they felt that such type of situation should not be occur in a future. So they realized the need or importance of prevention of such type of war there in a future. So they decided that they should not be we have to take some type of measurement there or the works to avoid such type of destructive war there. An international organization called the League of Nations was established out of this thinking, and the output of this thinking, that is League of Nations, United Nation. That League of Nations, this concept came out through the member countries of European nation. That so they established an international level organization called League of Nations. They established that it became an important platform to solve international dispute and carry out the negotiations. That so in first of all, in the 20th century, League of Nations, they started that League of Nations become the international platform to all the member countries, where they can come and they can negotiate, they can discuss their issues or the problem without fighting or without engaging in a war. The main responsibility of the League of Nations was understood to be to avoid war there. The main responsibility or the main work of the League of Nations, that is to be avoid the war. Such type of destructive war should not be happen in a future. Means which was that earlier they had seen that 1914 to 1918 First World War. That type of war should not be happen in a future. And if it is happen, then what will happen? What will be there? Then whatever the victory is there, what is the test of joyness is there or the victory, to see, to feel that victory, to feel that joy, the person who won that war, he will not be remain, he will not be there to see that, to enjoy that. They knew that. So because of that, they established the League of Nations. But the League of Nations was not that much successful. After the First World War, major changes took about in the Europe and outside Europe. For example, earlier empire in the Europe collapsed and new nations came to be being. When the First World War was ended, some of the changes took place into the European countries. The earlier empire was collapsed there. European empire collapsed. New nations they came forefront, that they became the powerful leader in European nation. That many European countries had their own colonies in the continent of Africa and Asia. They set up their continent, means colonies there into the Asian continent or into the African continent. So the movement for the independence also started in these colonies. Among that, in Asia, if you see that India is also one colony of Britishes. So the movement of independence started in these colonies. These movements challenged the hegemony of the European nations, the power, the strength of the European nation. These countries, they try to get independence or the freedom, that like India, that how we are trying to means against the Britishers, how we are tried to get the freedom or independence, how we fought against the Britishers. So that type of situation started into the Asian countries also, means Asian continent also, into African continent also there. League of Nations was established after the First World War to establish peace there. The main objective of the League of Nations, that is to be establish or to maintain peaceful order or atmosphere in a world, but it did not succeed at preventing the war. The League of Nations was failure. It did not be succeeded in its objective. Behind that, some of the reasons were there. Among that, the first one, that is, instead of that, what happened, that autocratic regions came up into the Germany, Italy, Spain, and other countries. That autocratic government that started into these European countries. In that, Italy is there, Germany, Spain, or the other countries into the Europe. All these development culminated in the Second World War. So all these autocratic government that pulled to the European nations once again into the Second World War. This was the background. This was the likeness of the League of Nations, and along with that, the most powerful country in the world, that is America, not became the member of the League of Nations. And what are the rules were there? Laws of the League of Nations. That rules or the laws were not that much powerful or the strong. So due to that also, League of Nations was a failure. Here the one they gave the example of the photo picture, that Indian soldiers on the battlefield in the First World War, because at that time Britain or England, they ruled on us. Our country is a colony, British colony there. So England participated into First World War from the Allied group or the power that. So they used Indian soldiers also. Indian soldiers also went there and they fought in the First World War from the British side. They supported the British there. The autocratic dictatorial regions of the Hitler came up into the Germany. Now autocratic government, Hitler. As we know that this word we have heard many times, number of the time in our class also, or in our surrounding areas also that. So Hitler, he was a dictator of the German. He came into the power there. What would have happened had the democratic traditions been strong in Germany? What precautions should we take in order to prevent the rise of autocratic region? That instead of autocratic government, that if there is a democratic government was there at the time in Germany, then what will happen there? What would happen there? But instead of that, what happened? Hitler, he came in the power that, and instead of the democratic government, he turned toward the autocratic government and a military work or the dictatorship leadership. He started that, and also he's told to the people that in a proper way, he explained to them in proper way. If you want to make a development of our country, then autocratic government, dictatorship is how it is important. That also he proved to the common people. What is your opinion? The League of Nations was established to prevent the war, but it failed to avoid the war. What measures should the League of Nations League have taken to prevent the war? Why it is failed that you have to find out. What is your opinion, that what kind of more precautions the League of Nations had to take? It had to be taken there at the time. They should take. Why it is failed? That answers you have to write your own opinion. It is that. Why was it failed? So that answers you write. And when you come tomorrow, then tomorrow we'll see that next one point, that is a Second World War. Thank you.